This is the setup we've got for the girls. Right now, we got 2 black ones and 2 yellow ones. They're the buff Orrington sex linked, and the black ones, they're both hybrids. They have 2 different parents to make one set of, you know what a hybrid is. But that way you can tell if they're girls or boys just by the way they look. We don't want any girl or boys. They raised the price on them too. They're twice as much as they used to be. $4 a bird. We were gonna get more, but we didn't have the cash on us at the time. The check was in the mail, literally. So we'll probably go get some more. I don't know. We're doing good though.